Namaskar. Welcome to Aim for Seva's annual donor appreciation event, Bhavaye Paramatmanam, Manifestation of the Divine. For those who don't know me, my name is Rajiv Satyal. For those who do know me, it's still Rajiv Satyal, and I'm honored to serve as your host this evening. I'm coming to you from beautiful downtown Burbank. I'm here, you're there. It's like a coexisting video. We could shorten that to COVID. Maybe that's not such a great idea. Let's not do that. In fact, a lot of these virtual comedy shows have a 5-second lag. Luckily, I prepared for that. I played the South. The American South, all right, to be clear, not the Indian South. See, the difference in the American South and the Indian South is, we keep our smart people in India and the South. I can say that, all right, because I'm Punjabi. I'm about as north as it gets, so everybody relax and calm down. I was wearing a mask at the grocery store the other day. This is COVID time, right? I don't know what happened. Maybe my associative memory kicked in. I looked at the bag man and I went, trick or treat. I don't know. Maybe it's the time of year. Happy Halloween. I love how stores are still stocking travel size like they're mocking us. Since New York is experiencing a shortfall of healthcare professionals, Columbia's medical school is allowing students to graduate early to get into the field. You remember this earlier this year? Well, you know what this means, right? The disease of coronavirus totally justifies the disease of senioritis that we all had. How in the world will April and May in any school around the world be able to respond to students when they ask, when are we ever going to have to know this? You don't. You clearly don't have to know this. If medical students who are preparing to go do surgery don't need the last 2 months of school, then I'm sure you're going to be fine skipping out on whatever BS jargon your field wants you to know. Economics? Hey, I don't really totally get credit default swaps, and nobody does. Acting, which way is upstage and which way is downstage I can never remember, doesn't matter. History, what is the intricate difference between socialism and communism? Have a good summer. Based on my eyebrows alone, I'm guessing there's a lot of unwanted hair out there right now. Remember that scene in the Bible where Moses is holding apart the Red Sea so his people can cross? Well, that is me right now with my eyebrows. These are completely out of control. Without European Wax Center, which they should just rename to Indian Wax Center at this point, who are we kidding? We are shot, dude. This is really tough. I have not had a unibrow since college, and I know my left brow and right brow are singing together like it's a 70s song, reunited, and it feels so good. By the way, who here is zoomed out? My wife and I were on a Zoom call recently, and they're doing all of these Zoom calls for birthdays, anniversaries, and showers. We were about 20 minutes late, and we finally had to admit to ourselves that traffic was never the reason that we were late, right? Like, oh yeah, you really finally come to grips with the fact that, all that traffic, getting to the bedroom, getting set up on the computer, there is no traffic. What are we talking about? We finally had to come to grips with the fact that our lives are just in a total state of chaos and disarray and disorder. What can we do? That's all we can do. So, one upside, actually, is that you don't have to remember anybody's name, right? They're all right there on the screen, on the Zoom screen. That was always the toughest part of greeting people in real life, or IRL, as the kids are saying. I think they're still saying that. Okay, let's see. There's an app called Shazam, all right? And if you want to know the name and the artist of a song, like all these singers you're about to see here tonight, you hold up your phone for a few seconds and it tells you. They should actually make that same app for people, since I forget all of their names so much. That'd be great, right? Somebody's walking towards you and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't remember this person's name. You take a photo, wait a few seconds. Hey, Sanjay, how are you doing, buddy? You go on with your life like nothing ever happened. On any of these video calls, though, I'm a bigger narcissist than I ever really thought possible. Because it doesn't matter how good looking the person is on the other side of the call, whether it's Zoom or FaceTime or whatever else, I still look at myself in that little window. I don't know why I'm doing that. I'm always looking at myself in the little window. Like, can you just look at the person or the camera or something else? Clearly, I cannot do that. I don't know what's going on with me. And I don't know why we keep checking our faces. I asked a friend of mine. He goes, well, I just check my face to make sure I'm okay. I'm like, in real life, we would sit in meetings for an hour and nothing would happen to our faces. What's going to happen to your face just sitting in a meeting? I'm not really sure. I think what I'm going to do the next time I'm on a Zoom call, though, is I'm going to screenshot it so that I can upload that as my virtual background in Zoom, and that way I can go take a nap. No one will even know that I'm gone. It'll be great. Or I can go on to TaskRabbit. I could hire a doppelganger. Neil Kashkari. Is Neil Kashkari available? If I can get Neil Kashkari to sit in for me, that would be dope. If you don't know who he is, look him up right now if you'd like to. We're both in California. We're both Indian. We're both bald. I totally think it would work. Folks, I hope you're nice and warmed up. This evening's program is a cultural extravaganza of music and dance from some of India's most loved artists. Aim for Seva students, donors, and volunteers will also share firsthand testimonials of the transformational impact that Aim for Seva is having in their lives and those of underserved children throughout rural India. We hope that you are thoroughly entertained and inspired by all that you experience throughout the program, and that you are able to see and know the tremendous difference your donations are making. You can make your donations online at aimforsevausa.org. Thank you.
Bharat Deshahitaya Kuru Sevam Tvam. This is the theme of an All India movement, a movement for Seva. Every Indian should have this awareness of taking care of the people of this country, the people who need help, who are isolated, alienated from the mainstream society, and whose culture is also in danger, whose livelihood, etc., is not in a desirable state. So, people should help people. Kuru Sevam Tvam.
India, a land of infinite variety and diversity and disparity.
தர்மபுரியிலிருந்து ஒரு 10 கிலோமீட்டர் வில்லேஜ் என் சொந்த ஊர். அங்கே வந்து விவசாயம் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம். 5வது முடிச்சு 6வது வச்சு மேற்கொண்டு படிக்க வைக்க வசதி இல்லை.
पहले गांव में पढ़ता था. गांव से स्कूल 4 किलोमीटर दूर था. गांव से स्कूल जाने में 4 घंटे लगते थे.
Many of the benefits of India's growth and prosperity have not yet reached large sections of society. Education remains a distant dream for many children in rural India, nor is it a priority for their poor parents.
6वीं कक्षा में जब माता जी का देहांत हो गया था, उसके बाद घर का माहौल बदल रहा था. घर में अच्छी सुविधाएं नहीं मिल पा रही थी पढ़ाई के लिए, अच्छे से देखभाल नहीं हो पा रहा था.
வீட்டுக்கு போன அம்மா இந்த வேலையை செய்யுங்க அந்த வேலையை செய்யுங்கன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அதனால படிக்க முடியாது.
It's the search for answers to questions like these that inspired the founding of Aim for Seva by Swami Dayananda Saraswati.
यहाँ आने के बाद मुझे पढ़ाई की अच्छी सुविधाएं मिली, अच्छे दोस्त मिला, अच्छे माहौल मिला और रहने के लिए अच्छी बेहतर सुविधाएं मिली जो कि सब घर में नहीं था.
Many of the past students have finished education and are pursuing their ambition.
என்னோட எய்ம் டாக்டர் ஆகணும்ங்கிறது, ஆர்மிக்கு போகணும், ஐஏஎஸ் ஆகணும்ங்கிறது என்னோட எய்ம்.
To bring about a transformation in society.
It is now my pleasure to introduce Srini Raman, Aim for Seva USA's Chief Operating Officer. Srini started as a volunteer with Aim for Seva when it was founded 20 years ago, and he has been involved ever since. In 2015, he was appointed to his role as CIO by our founder, Swami Dayananda Saraswati, and left his engineering management career to do this important work. Srini considers Swamiji his ultimate role model and the inspiration for living his life and caring service to others. And don't you love the fact that I was not able to pronounce COO, but I could pronounce the Swami's name?
Namaste. Welcome to our annual donor appreciation event. This year has been an extraordinary year for 3 reasons. Number 1, it is Aim for Seva's 20th anniversary year. Number 2, our founder Swami Dayananda Saraswati's 90th Jayanti. And number 3, it is our first virtual annual donor appreciation event. As you might know, Aim for Seva started 20 years ago when a tribal woman by name Papammal requested Swami Dayananda Saraswati to build a Chhatralaya, a home away from home in the remote areas of India where the children can stay full time and attend the school nearby. Today, we have more than 104 Chhatralayas, 6 schools and 6 healthcare centers where we educate 9,000 children per year and serve more than 150,000 patients every year. All this is possible because of generous help from people like you, and also under the able leadership of the Board of Directors of USA led by Mr. Piyush Shah and the Board of Trustees of India led by Srimati Sheila Balaji, along with all the 26 coordinators who have been working passionately, and all the regional coordinators of India who actually take care of the projects. Ladies and gentlemen, today we have a beautiful production called Bhavaye Paramatmanam, Manifestation of the Divine, brought to you by 7 eminent artists from all over India. I take this opportunity in urging you to make a contribution by visiting aimforsevausa.org. You can contribute small and big. For example, you can sponsor a child for as less as $42 a month, or sponsor a child for the entire year for $500. Or you can help build a Chhatralaya or a school and dedicate in your loved one's name, thus leaving a legacy. Ladies and gentlemen, I urge you to make your contribution so that we can make this as a Seva movement. Thank you. Sit back and enjoy the show.
I am glad I'm able to join you. The government, by the way, is referring to us entertainers as non-essential businesses. That's really what we need, right? What a boost to our self-esteem as entertainers. Well, speaking of essential, we're now pleased to present Bhavaye Paramatmanam, Manifestation of the Divine in dedication to Swami Dayananda Saraswati, Aim for Seva's founder, on his 90th Jayanti this year, and in celebration of Aim for Seva's 20th anniversary. 7 most beloved classical artists from all over India have come together to celebrate the great master and his vision. They share their gifts through singing, instrumentals, and dancing, with performances that beautifully represent and celebrate India's rich cultural heritage and diversity.
The beauty of Bhavaye Paramatmanam is how it finds different possibilities in the world of different artists. Shankar Mahadevan turns to music and to one of his own creations to interpret the essence and philosophy of Bhavaye Paramatmanam. Returning to a beautiful composition, Sur Niragas Ho, from a Marathi film, Katyal Kaljat Ghusli, Sur Niragas Ho literally means that Sur, meaning music, or Sadhana, meaning its practice, must be honest, innocent, and devoid of feelings of envy. In this invocation, a Ganpati Vandana, the writer and musician invokes the Lord and offers a humble prayer to him, drawing a parallel to the idea of music. Like the purity of the music itself, let us all hope for a world that is full of peace.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सूरनिरागस हो गणपति सूरनिरागस हो शुभनयना करुणामय गौर वरद विनायक शुभनयना करुणामय गौरी हर श्री वरद विनायक ओंकार गणपति ओंकार गणपति अधिपति सुखपति छंदपति गंधपति लीन निरंतर हो लीन निरंतर हो सूर निरागस हो सूर निरागस हो गणपति सूर निरागस हो मोरया मोरया गणपति बाप्पा मोरया 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 गणपति बाप्पा मोरया गजवदना तू सुख करता गजवदना तू दुख हरता गजवदना मोरया 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 गणपति बाप्पा मोरया गजवदना तू सुख करता गजवदना तू दुख हरता गजवदना मोरया मोरया सूर निरागस हो सूर निरागस सुरसोमनानी भरली ओंजळ नित्यरीती भावे चरणावरी ताने बालक सुमधुर हासे भावतसे भावे सुरातुन ओंकार गणपति ओंकार ओंकार गणपति अधिपति सुखपति छंदपति गंधपति अधिपति सुखपति छंदपति गंधपति सुरपति लीन निरंतर हो लीन निरंतर हो सूर निरागस हो निरागस हो सूर सूर निरागस हो गणपति सूर निरागस हो मोरया मोरया गणपति बाप्पा मोरया 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 गणपति बाप्पा मोरया गजवदना तू सुख करता गजवदना तू दुख हरता गजवदना मोरया 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 गणपति बाप्पा मोरया गजवदना तू सुख करता गजवदना तू दुख हरता गजवदना मोरया मोरया सूर निरागस निरागस हो सूर
Alarmil Valli's offering for Bhavaye Paramatmanam stems from her own observation of the world and society today, fractured and fragmented, trapped in narrow ruts that we have carved for ourselves. The pandemic has made us aware, now more than ever, of the devastating consequences of our disregard for nature and the environment. Against this backdrop, Alarmil Valli presents two verses that embody the concept of the divine as all-pervading. She begins with a benediction from Kalidasa's Abhignana Shakuntalam, where nature, Prakriti, is invoked as God. This segues into a moving poem, Vellai Thamare, by poet, freedom fighter and writer Subramanya Bharati. In Bharatiya's vision of Saraswati, the goddess resides in the music of the veena, in the song of the koel and the parrot, and in children's prattle, temple towers, and in work that is selfless and true. She is the beauty in all things beautiful. She is bliss embodied. In Valli's evocation of Bhavaye Paramatmanam, all creation is suffused with the divine, and her dance celebrates the essential oneness of the universe.
Water, the first creation of the Creator. Fire, bearer of oblations offered with holy rites. The priest who utters the holy chants. Sun and moon that order time. Space which extends world-pervading, in which sound flows impinging on the ear. Earth which is proclaimed the universal womb of seeds. Air which fills all forms that breathe with the breath of life. May Isha, the Supreme Lord of the universe, who stands revealed in these 8 forms, may He preserve you.
या सृष्टिः स्रष्टुः आद्या वहति विधिहुतं या हविः यजाहोत्री ये द्वे विधत्तः श्रुतिविषयगुणा या स्थिता व्याप्य विश्वं या माहुः सर्वबीजा प्रकृतिः इति यया प्राणिनः प्राणवन्तः प्रत्यक्षाभिः प्रपन्नः तनोभिः अवतु वः ताभिः अष्टाभिः एषः வெள்ளை தாமரை பூவில் இருப்பாள் வெள்ளை தாமரை ஒலியில் இருப்பாள் வீணை செய்யும் ஒலியில் இருப்பாள் மாதர் தீங்குரல் பாட்டில் இருப்பாள் மாதர் தீங்குரல் பாட்டில் இருப்பாள் மக்கள் பேசும் மழலையில் உள்ளார் மக்கள் பேசும் மழலையில் உள்ளார் மக்கள் பேசும் மழலையில் உள்ளார் கீதம் பாடும் கோயிலின் குரலை கிளியில் நாவை இருப்பிடம் கொண்டாள் சித்திரம் குலவு சித்திரம் கோபுரம் இன்பமே வடிவாகிட பெற்றாள் இன்பமே 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 வடிவாகிட பெற்றாள்
Jaitirth Mevundi envisages his interpretation of Bhavaye Paramatmanam through the lens of Sangeeta, music, and Veda, philosophy. Both of them, he observes, are like two sides of the same coin. And needless to say, Pujya Swami Dayananda Saraswati was deeply entrenched in both these ideas, music and philosophy. Naturally, the two compositions he will present are deep and powerful, both musically and in terms of the profundity of their philosophy. Seamlessly segueing between two languages, Marathi and Kannada, Jaitirth presents an abhang, Ek Baar Pandhari Dekho, that reinforces the imperativeness of visiting Pandharpur at least once in our lifetime. The composition is an existential quest of the different stages and phases in life that come in the way of us getting a vision of the Lord. Similar in its thought and aspiration is the Kannada song Saku Saku Manuja Seva, meaning enough of service to humanity. It's about time we realize and surrender ourselves to the God, to the vast expanse of divinity that surrounds us and in a sense lies within.
एकदा पंढरी पहारे, एकदा पंढरी पहारे गड्या, एकदा पंढरी पहारे, एकदा पंढरी पहारे. बाळपण हे व्यर्थ गेले, बाळपण हे व्यर्थ गेले, रंग तुझा रे मुडा, एकदा पंढरी पहारे, एकदा पंढरी पहारे, एकदा पंढरी पहारे. तरुणपण हे व्यर्थ गेले, तरुणपण हे व्यर्थ गेले, तरुणपण हे, तरुणपण हे व्यर्थ गेले, रंग तुझा रे मुडा, एकदा पंढरी पहारे, एकदा पंढरी पहारे. वृद्धपण हे काय सूचना, वृद्धपण हे काय सूचना, सूचना, सूचना. वृद्धपण हे काय सूचना, चालत पडत मुडा, एकदा पंढरी, 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 एकदा पंढरी पहारे, एकदा पंढरी पहारे. तीन पण हे व्यर्थ गेले, तीन पण हे व्यर्थ गेले, तुका म्हणे रे मुडा, तुका म्हणे, तुका तुका म्हणे रे मुडा, एकदा पंढरी पहारे, एकदा पंढरी पहारे. बाळपण हे व्यर्थ गेले, बाळपण हे व्यर्थ गेले, रंग तुझा रे मुडा, पंढरी, 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 पंढरी. ರಂಗಾ ರಂಗಯ್ಯ ರಂಗಾ ರಂಗಯ್ಯ ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಮನುಜ ಸೇವೆಯು ರಂಗಯ್ಯ ಇನ್ನು ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಮನುಜ ಸೇವೆಯು ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಮನುಜ ಸೇವೆಯು ರಂಗಯ್ಯ ಇನ್ನು ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಮನುಜ ಸೇವೆಯು ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಮನುಜ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಿದಣಿದು ನೊಂದೆ ನಾನು ಬೇಕು ನಿನ್ನ ಪಾದ ಭಜನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸಲಹೋ ರಂಗಯ್ಯ ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಮನುಜ ಸೇವೆಯು ರಂಗಯ್ಯ ಇನ್ನು ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಮನುಜ ಸೇವೆಯು ಸ್ನಾನ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾನುಷ್ಠಾನ ನಿಮವೆಲ್ಲ ತೊರೆದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೀನನಾಗಿ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಜನರ ಮನೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಿರುಗಿ ಸ್ನಾನ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾನುಷ್ಠಾನ ನೇಮವೆಲ್ಲ ತೊರೆದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೀನನಾಗಿ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಜನರ ಮನೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಿರುಗಿ ತಿರುಗಿ ಶ್ವಾನನಂತೆ ದಿನವ ಕಳೆವೆನೋ ದುರಾಸೆಯನ್ನು ಮನದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಕುದಿವೆನೋ ಕೊನೆಗೂ ಎಳ್ಳು ಕಾಳಿನಷ್ಟು ಸುಖವ ಕಾಣೆನೋ ರಂಗಯ್ಯ ರಂಗ ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಮನುಜ ಸೇವೆಯು ರಂಗಯ್ಯ ಎನ್ನು ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಮನುಜ ಸೇವೆಯು ಒಡಲಿನಾಸೆಗಾಗಿ ನೊಣವು ತುಡುಕಿ ಬಿದ್ದು ಜೇನಿನೊಳಗೆ ಮಿಡುಕುವಂತೆ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಿಡುವೆ ಬಿಸರು ಹಾಕ್ಷಣೆ ಬಿಡಿಸೋ ಎನ್ನ ಬಂಧ ಪಾಶವ ಬಿಡಿಸೋ ಎನ್ನ ಬಂಧ ಪಾಶವ ಕಾಗಿ ನೆಲೆಯಾದಿ ಕೇಶವ ಕೊಡಿಸೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಭಕ್ತರ ಸಂಗವ ವೆಂಕಟಾದ್ರಿ ನಿಲಯ ಮಾಧವ ರಂಗಯ್ಯ ರಂಗ ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಮನುಜ ಸೇವೆಯು ರಂಗಯ್ಯ ಇನ್ನು ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಮನುಜ ಸೇವೆಯು ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಮನುಜ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಿದಣಿದು ನೊಂದೆ ನಾನು ಬೇಕು ನಿನ್ನ ಪಾದ ಭಜನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸಲಹೋ ರಂಗಯ್ಯ ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಮನುಜ ಸೇವೆಯು ರಂಗಯ್ಯ ಎನ್ನು ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಮನುಜ ಸೇವೆಯು ನಿಬಮ ಗಮನಿಸ ನಿಸ ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಮನುಜ ಸೇವೆಯು ಸಾಧ ನಿಬಮ ಗಮನಿಸ ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಮನುಜ ಸೇವೆಯು ರಂಗಯ್ಯ ಎನ್ನು ಸಾಕು ಸಾಕು ಮನುಜ ಸೇವೆಯು 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 ರಂಗಯ್ಯ ರಂಗ ರಂಗ
Oh, by the way, happy Blur's Day. Yeah, you know, there's an actress down the street and she always says happy Blur's Day. Like, why are we even keeping track of the days anymore? Tuesday feels like Thursday, which feels like Sunday. My wife and I love Blur's Day. We've been saying that ever since. So happy Blur's Day. We now would like for you to hear from two of our students who share how Aim for Seva is making it possible for them to develop their skills, pursue their passions, and realize their full potential.
नमस्ते सबको, मेरा नाम उदारुम है। मैं त्रिपुरा से आई हूँ। मेरे मम्मी पापा मुझे पढ़ाने में आने वाले और मैं 2012 से यही पढ़ के बड़ी हुई हूँ और स्कूल के पास में ही हॉस्टल है। मैं हॉस्टल में रहती हूँ और मुझे यहाँ पे रहते हुए 8 साल पूरा हो गया है और मैं 5वीं क्लास से आई हूँ। अभी 12वीं का एग्ज़ाम हो गया है।
मेरा पूरा बचपन मेरे गांव बेड़े में ही बीता। मैं 3rd क्लास तक मेरे गांव के स्कूल में पढ़ी, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में, और फिर 4th क्लास में एम फॉर सेवा बालिका विद्यालय स्कूल। और लेकिन यहाँ का माहौल बहुत अच्छा था और पढ़ाई और संस्कारों पर विशेष ध्यान दिया जाता था। यहाँ पर मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त बने और स्कूल में मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं। मेरे क्लासमेट्स मेरे सबसे अच्छे फ्रेंड्स हैं। उनके साथ मैं पढ़ाई करती हूँ, खेलती हूँ और जो प्रॉब्लम्स कभी आते हैं स्टडी में, कभी आते हैं तो हम एक दूसरे से मदद करते हैं, शेयर करते हैं। और अभी हमारा रिजल्ट आने वाला है लेकिन अभी आया नहीं। मैं एक्सपेक्ट करती हूँ कि मेरा रिजल्ट अच्छा आएगा और मैं अच्छे कॉलेज में जाके पढ़ूँगी। मेरा फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट मैथ्स रहा है हमेशा से। मुझे उसके सवाल सॉल्व करने में बहुत इंटरेस्ट आता है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे उसके सवाल सॉल्व करना। और मुझे ड्राइंग, सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, कुकिंग, बहुत सारी, मेहंदी, रंगोली, सभी में बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है। मुझे सब करना बहुत पसंद है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है। और मेरा मतलब जो परिवार है, मेरे सपोर्टर स्वामी जी है और मैम है। यहाँ के जो सपोर्टिव है और जो डोनर्स है वही मेरे सपोर्टर्स है। मैं सबको धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि इनके बिना मेरा कुछ भी नहीं है। मेरे इस साल क्लास 10th में 98.5% बने और मेरा मध्य प्रदेश में 10वां स्थान रहा। इस मेरी इतनी बड़ी सफलता के पीछे मेरे मम्मी पापा का सबसे बड़ा सहयोग रहा क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे पढ़ाई करने के लिए अनुमति दी। उन्होंने मुझे कभी पढ़ाई करने के लिए नहीं रोका और साथ ही मेरे टीचर्स जिन्होंने मुझे हर कदम पर सपोर्ट किया। हर कदम पर मुझे कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आई उन्होंने मुझे अच्छे से समझाया। और एम फॉर सेवा संस्था का जिन्होंने लड़कियों के लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छा स्कूल खोला जिससे मैं पढ़ पाई, इतना स्कोर कर पाई। मैं इन तीनों को बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ। थैंक यू।
देशहिताय भरतादि महामति सेवित भारत देशहिताय।
Sometimes every song that we sing becomes a story in our lives, a story within a story. And as a result, songs become precious because of both meanings and memories. We hold them fondly, and when we sing them, it reminds us of the memories we created with them. Gopala Gokula Vallabhi, a bhajan by Sant Tulsidas, set to tune by the legendary Dr. M. Balamurali Krishna, has a special place in Bombay Jai Shri Ramnath's heart. It's also a composition Pujya Swami Dayananda Saraswati was extremely fond of and would often request Jai Shri Ji to sing it. A delightful creation in praise of Lord Krishna and packed with emotions of joy and happiness, this song is a reinforcement of the idea of eternal love. Bhavaye Paramatmanam.
Gopala Gokula Vallabhi Gopala Gokula Vallabhi Gopala Gokula Vallabhi वल्लभं चरणारविन्दम् अहं भजे भजनेयसुरमुनि दुर्लभं गोपाल गोकुल वल्लभी प्रिय गोप गोसुत वल्लभम् घनश्याम काम अनेक छवि लोकाभिराम मनोहरम् घनश्याम कामनेक छवि लोकाभिराम मनोहरं किञ्जलक किञ्जलक वसन किशोरमूर्ति पूरी गुण करुणाकरं किञ्जलक वसन किशोरमूर्ति पूरी गुण करुणाकरं गोपाल गोकुल वल्लभी प्रिय गोप गोसुत गजकुटिल सुन्दर तिलक भ्रू राकामयङ्क समाननं गजकुटिल सुन्दर तिलक भ्रू राकामयङ्क समाननम् अपहरण अपहरण तुलसीदास त्रास विहार वृन्दाकाननम् अपहरण तुलसीदास त्रास विहार वृन्दाकाननम् गोपाल गोकुल वल्लभी प्रिय गोप गोसुत वल्लभं चरणारविन्दम् अहं भजे भजनेयसुरमुनि दुर्लभं गोपाल गोकुल वल्लभी प्रिय गोप गोसुत
In Debashri Bhattacharya's world, Bhavaye Paramatmanam becomes a journey of discovery, of a deep diving into the inward crevices of the mind and becoming aware of the stillness that lies within. In Prana, an excerpt from Debashri's production Niravadhi, we discover the potential and possibilities that lie around and within. We become aware of the prana that exists within all of us but is often lying dormant. By virtue of the introspection, this life force that manifests itself in the nature that surrounds us is awakened by the senses in a way that the prana becomes the music and the dance. It becomes the joy, the creativity, the bliss, the permanence. Prana is an invitation for all of us to foray into the inward journey of an artist, and in that process, an opportunity for us to look inward.
धित्तान धित्तान धित्ता कृधित्तान धा गदिगना 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 धित्तान धित्तान धित्ता कृधित्तान धा गदिगना।
You know, now that I'm stuck at home, I can do things I've always wanted to do. What'll it be tonight? The Iliad, the Odyssey, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. Ooh, look, Indian matchmaking. Let's watch that again. Who else is doing that on Netflix? Anyone? Aim for Seva USA's Global Youth Leadership Program is our flagship and highly sought-after initiative designed to shape future global leaders through Seva. High school students travel to Manjakudi, worked on that one, the birthplace of Swami Dayananda Saraswati, for 2 weeks each December, stay in the villages, teach and learn with the children in a rural school, and do Seva for the benefit of those less fortunate. Aim for Seva has been offering this hands-on, immersive experience for the past 8 consecutive years. As you'll hear now from our GYLP youth ambassadors, their experiences this past December not only benefited those they served, but also unlocked a passion in themselves for giving back and taught them the true value of gratitude.
Everyone, my name is Eva Sarah Maya, and with me is the GYLP Youth Ambassador Group. We will be reflecting upon our experiences in Manjakudi and the benefit and impact of the GYLP program.
GYLP is the youth wing of Aim for Seva USA, led by our youth ambassadors. We make a 2-week trip to India in December every year, during which you spend time with and teach the children of Aim for Seva on subjects such as math, science, and primarily English. We taught for 6 hours a day, visited several homes of the children, several temples in the evening, and we had a lot of fun doing it.
The trip truly transformed me. I not only grew as a person, but I found my love and passion for Seva and charity through giving back to the community. I also learned the true value of gratitude and appreciation for the smaller things, and this has really impacted positively the way I view my life and the world now.
On the trip, I noticed in various situations that the students appreciated and valued everything that we were able to provide them with. The students were always so eager to learn about the subject at hand, and they were just as enthusiastic to introduce us to aspects of their own culture. The amount of respect, compassion, and determination that each of the students embodied was truly admirable.
Through our short time working with the students at Manjakudi, we noticed drastic improvements in their knowledge and overall confidence. The GYLP program was able to empower these students to utilize what they learned and follow their interests.
GYLP benefited each part of our community differently. For those who went on the trip, GYLP taught them leadership skills, how to be grateful, and different aspects of our Indian culture that we were not exposed to back in America. GYLP also benefited others that helped each member raise around $1,500 or more by making a platform to contribute globally.
To add on, GYLP had a significant impact on the community and students through the scholarship money raised and the situational awareness created for the change needed in India. If a small population from North America can make a change, so can be done with a larger group in India. Small drops lead to big changes.
We hope you enjoyed the rest of the event. If you're looking for more information regarding the GYLP trip, please check out the Aim for Seva website. Thank you, and remember to not only be a consumer, but a contributor as well.
You know, I wanted to say this, by the way. Mom, I didn't become a doctor, but at least I'm wearing a mask every day. That counts for something, right? We would like to share a donor story in her own words of her visit to an Aim for Seva girls' hostel and all that she witnessed and took away from that enlightening and inspiring trip.
The reason I picked Aim for Seva, and I've always felt really good about donating my money here, is because of how much of that money actually goes to help the cause. and how important the cause is. Education is something I find extremely important. I think it's really like the setup for the future. I picked the Lucknow hostel because it was an all-girls hostel, and I really felt like girls' education is something that's pushed to the side in a lot of rural communities in India. One of the things that surprised me most and why I don't even like calling it a hostel is it almost makes it feel like it's just a roof over their head and maybe some tutoring. But it is so much more than that. This is like a life development, boot camp almost. They start their day so early, and I think just the process of doing things like yoga and pranayam every single day in the morning creates a sense of spiritual grounding. But more than that, the way that the Swamini Ji is running the center is so amazing. They're learning the life skills, and they're learning how to build discipline around the things that they're learning and enjoying and loving. And I think that's what's the most important. Like, these kids are not just going to school and getting an education. These kids are getting a life. And that was extremely valuable to me because it goes to show that, it's not just an education that's going to help you. It's an education and having the willpower and the strength and the work ethic and everything you need to turn that education into something valuable. All kids are the same, no matter where you go around the world and what you're doing. Kids are kids. They're funny and they're curious and they're smart and they're resilient. And I think, when you see those kids and you realize like that could be any one of us, it really makes me and my husband really want to check our privilege and say, this is something that we're obligated to do. Our contribution is small, and we do the easiest part. We just donate some money. But the Aim for Seva team that's converting that and pooling in all of these different resources and creating something which I felt like it was almost at a macro level. There were so many kids in Lucknow, boys and girls, that were benefiting from these small micro donations from so many different people. It really makes me see how far it's actually going. It's not a lot of money for a year, and to see the amount of education, both school education as well as life education that these kids are getting, in addition to having 3 meals a day and a roof over their head, which from what I understand not a lot of them have at home. I think it's just amazing.
Swami Dayananda Saraswati, being an avid admirer of Indian classical music and dance, has also composed 18 songs in 18 ragas. In collaborating with Indian Raga, we have selected 4 such compositions and worked with 4 beautiful artists of India in making this musical video production. All this will be available for you to enjoy in the YouTube channel of Indian Raga, and I'm sure you will enjoy the beautiful setting of the Indian villages along with our Aim for Seva children in all these 4 musical productions. Sit back and enjoy these highlights of this video.
भजे विघ्नराजं विनायकं भजे विघ्नराजं विनायकं
मधुर मधुर मीनाक्षी मधुर मधुर मोहविलासिनी
भावये परमात्मानं भवभयदूरम्
भारत देश हिताय
We really, truly hope that you're enjoying our program and seeing the many ways in which your contributions are having an impact and all of the good work that is able to come from them. We will now present the final performances of Bhavaye Paramatmanam, Manifestation of the Divine.
Our ancient literature, texts, and folklore are closely connected with nature. They take simple truths from life and elaborate them into intricate stories. For artists, engaging with these stories is really about finding unlimited possibilities in creation. Sharmila Biswas says she's always been intrigued by the connection between the animate and the inanimate. The sky gives water. Earth nurtures life. Man is passive. The woman is life-giving. The relationship between the two forces is as natural and spontaneous as breathing. In her interpretation, Atma and Paramatma are inseparable. One exists for the other. One shelters the other. Shiva Shakti is a dance theatre that found its genesis and has grown at a time when we have all as a world been forced to introspect, cope, and find expressions anew. Shiva Shakti is a homage to the 5 elements.
Ancient man looks at the boundless sky beyond the clouds. Forever serene, shielding, and meditative. And man wants to believe that it is an auspicious and sacred force, Achhadan. The sky protects the Leelamai earth. The sky and the earth gaze at each other from a distance. Rain pours from the skies, and the earth nurtures life. Man is passive, woman is life-giving. They come together to sustain life. Male and female, the two forces are worshipped together, and slowly, over time, are given human forms and godly attributes.
त्रयान्तक त्रिलोकरक्षक विजयते मेदिनि स्पन्दन रे जय मतंगिनी जय सुरसंगिनी वंदित जोगिनी वृंदवरे जय विषवक्षण भूपरिपालन संगिनी संगत नृत्य करे जय जय भैरवी दैत्य पराभवि कंकण किंकिणी शोभितरे धक धिमि धिमि धिकतान्धिक तान्धिक धिनिकिट धिनिकिट नाद स्वरे आगत मर्दन धिनि धिनि धंकृत चित्त शिव शिव सप्त स्वरे चित्त शिव शिव सप्त स्वरे चित्त शिव शिव सप्त स्वरे
तत थलांग तत धनि जन दे तत थलांग तत धनि जन दे दिग न दे धार्मिक न दे
Shiv, Mahadev, is the supreme being. Shakti, Mahadevi, surrounds him in Maya. With each production, she takes a different form, and Shiv gets more and more enchanted. Thus, the universe is created. First comes Buddhi. Then Ahankar. Then Mana. Pancha Gyanendriya.
Pani maba gama saga niga sa
Diditanana 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 tana 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 sani bama gama ga sani sakaga sani sakaga sani sakaga
tana dere na
Pancha Karmendriya.
tana dere na tana 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 tana
tana dere na tum ta dere na tana dere na tana 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 tana
tana dere na dream ta dere na
Pancha Tanmatra.
tana 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 tana
tana tana tana gama bani da tana 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 gama bani da tana 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 gama bani
dream ta tana dere na
Pancha Bhuta.
tom ta dere na gama ba gama ga sa dream ta tana dere na tana dere tom ta dere na gama ba gama ga sa dream tana dere na tana dere tom ta dere na gama ba gama ga sa dream tana dere na tana dere tom ta dere na gama ba gama ga sa dream tana dere na tana dere tom ta dere na gama ba gama ga sa dream tana dere na tana dere tom ta dere na gama ba gama ga sa
Samalaya. The universe is in harmony and moves in perfect chanda. But then, for reasons beyond control, there is disruption. Vaishamya Chandapatan. Mahadevi Mahamaya withdraws herself from the Maya of her own making. And Pralaya threatens to destroy the world. Narayan, Sthiti, awakens to soothe Shiv with his Narayani Shakti. Now, Narayani shelters Shiv, Ashray.
वाक् अर्थ वाक् अर्थ वाक् अर्थ संपृक्तौ
वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ
वागर्थ प्रतिपत्तये
जगत पितरा वन्दे
पितरो वन्दे
पार्वती
What is it about a lullaby that instantly evokes a sense of calm, a visual of childlike innocence, of a mind so pure and untainted? Carnatic musician Pantula Rama turns to her mother tongue, Telugu, to distill the beauty and purity of a lullaby titled Jo Achyutananda, composed by Annamaya. In terms of poetic content, the lullaby is loaded with Krishna's innate philosophy, his tattvam, the all-pervading nature of godliness and of a spirit of the bounty. The lullaby sparkles with qualities of and emotions of empathy, kindness and compassion to every single living creature around us and towards nature. The lullaby will be preceded by two beautiful shlokams, both excerpts from the Madhurashtakam, also in praise of Lord Krishna.
Hadaram madhuram vadanam madhuram हसितं मधुरं हृदयं मधुरं गमनं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं अखिलं मधुरं मधुरं गीतं मधुरं प्रीतं मधुरं भुक्तं मधुरं सुप्तं मधुरं रूपं मधुरं रूपं मधुरं तिलकं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं 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 जो अच्युतानन्द जो जो मुकुन्द जो अच्युतानन्द जो जो मुकुन्द जो अच्युतानन्द जो जो मुकुन्द रावे परमानन्द रावे परमानन्द रावे परमानन्द राम गोविन्द जो 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 బాలవారాశిలో పవళించినావు పాలవారాశిలో పవళించినావు బాలుగా మునులకు అభయమిచ్చినావు పాలవారాశిలో పవళించినావు బాలుగా మునులకు అభయమిచ్చినావు మేలుగా వసుదేవుకు దయించినావు బాలుడై ఉండి బాలుడై ఉండి గోపాలుడైనావు जो 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 हंगुगा ताळपाकन्नय्य चाला शृंगार रचनगा చెప్పిని జోలా హంగుగా తాళపాకన్నయ్య చాలా శృంగార రచనగా చెప్పిని జోలా సంగతిగా సకల సంపదలు నీవే మంగళము తిరుపట్ల మంగళము తిరుపట్ల మంగళము తిరుపట్ల మదన గోపాల జో 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 అచ్యుతానంద జో జో ముకుంద రావే పరమానంద రావే పరమానంద రామ గోవింద జో 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 జో
Namaste again. On behalf of the children, the Board of Directors, staff and volunteers of Aim for Seva, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for your generous contribution. It is through your generosity that we are able to educate and empower more than 9,000 children across 16 states of India by providing value-based education and holistic model of care. We thus transform rural India one child at a time. I'd like to thank all the 7 eminent artists who came together to present a beautiful cultural show today, namely Alarmail Valli, Bombay Jayashree Ramnath, Debashri Bhattacharya, Jaydeep Mevundi, Pantula Rama, Sharmila Biswas and Shankar Mahadevan. I would also like to thank Rajiv Satyal for being a wonderful host this evening. Finally, I'd like to end my speech with a quote from Pujya Swami Dayananda Saraswati stating that the purpose of a human being is to grow from a consumer to a contributor. Let us all become contributors and become part of this Seva movement. Please visit aimforsevausa.org and make your generous contributions today. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us for this most special event. Everybody out there, try to stay positive. Well, no, don't stay positive. Don't stay positive. Stay negative. You know what I mean, all right? Everybody, please stay safe. And please visit our website, aimforsevausa.org, to make your donation. And if you want to follow me, Rajiv Satyal, I'm at Funny Indian on Instagram and Twitter. Everybody, have a great night. Stay safe. Be kind to each other. And don't forget to continue practicing Seva.
से तू हिमाचल वनगिरिजन संरक्षणाय वनगिरिजन संरक्षणाय आसे तू हिमाचल वनगिरिजन संरक्षणाय वनगिरिजन संरक्षणाय वनगिरिजन संरक्षणाय कुरु सेवां त्वं कुरु सेवां त्वं कुरु सेवां त्वं
देशहिताय भरतादिमहामति सेवित भारत देशहिताय आयुरारोग्यविवर्धनाय धर्म संस्थापनाय धर्म संस्थापनाय आयुरारोग्यविवर्धनाय धर्म संस्थापनाय शोभ निवारणाय सुभिक्ष परिप्रापणाय शोभ निवारणाय सुभिक्ष परिप्रापणाय दीनजन उद्धारणाय दीनजन उद्धारणाय कुरु सेवां त्वं कुरु सेवां त्वं कुरु सेवां त्वं कुरु सेवां भारत देशहिताय भरतादिमहामति सेवित भारत देशहिताय भरता